Are you looking for an inexpensive way to keep your ride cool? Well, Mr. Gasket's aluminum electric water pumps are just the ticket when it comes to keeping your ride cool and protecting that hard-earned investment. Electric water pumps are a must-have for high-performance vehicles, especially when horsepower is at a premium. Running an electric pump can help you shed weight as well as free up extra horsepower by eliminating the parasitic power loss due to impeller drag and belt friction. A typical mechanical water pump can rob your engine of 7 to as much as 20 horsepower, and most mechanical water pumps simply cannot handle the high RPMs encountered on high-performance and drag race engines. Since the flow rate isn't limited by engine RPM, an electric pump can cool your engine more efficiently, especially during long idle periods in bumper-to-bumper traffic. It's also more convenient since the engine doesn't need to be running in order to circulate the coolant. For example, it can be turned on with a switch without even cranking the engine. That's perfect for when you're waiting in the staging lanes to make a pass. Mr. Gasket's electric water pumps can flow up to 35 gallons per minute, keeping the coolant flowing and your engine cooler. Mr. Gasket's aluminum water pumps are available in your choice of black or polished finish with a laser-etched logo. Pumps are available in most popular engine platforms and come complete with instructions, gaskets, a wiring pigtail, and mounting hardware when necessary. Some Ford applications even include the block-off plate. When the competition heats up, keep your cool with an electric water pump from Mr. Gasket. Thanks for watching. For more information on Mr. Gasket's electric water pumps and cooling accessories, visit our website at mrgasket.com.